Hi there, this is Bill Fleck from Home Realty, and this is today's August 2023 real estate market update. Now, there's not been a lot of change happening in the housing market right now. Buyers and sellers appear to be in a holding pattern, waiting for some sign before making a move. Now, here's your sign in this month's real estate market update. Starting at interest rates, they've been hovering in the high 6% and low 7% range for the last 3 months, keeping many buyers on the sidelines, as well as sellers reluctant to give up the lower rates on their existing mortgages. Buyer activity, as measured by listings under contract, is down significantly from normal for this time of year. And seller activity, measured by new listings coming on the market, is also down even further below norm. So this ratio between supply and demand is keeping Phoenix in a seller's market, but it's mild compared to the seller's market we had the last 3 years. Now, in a seller's market, we see upward pressure on price and annual appreciation rate for real estate. And though down last year, it is expected to return to positive and may return to pre-pandemic levels that we saw in 2018-2019, which saw an annual appreciation rate of about 5 to 8% on average, which would be a very healthy, sustainable appreciation rate. Now, there is good news for buyers. The last few months of the year is typically the best time of the year in Greater Phoenix for buyers. After June, we see buyer competition does decline until the end of the year, and that gives buyers a little bit less competition as well as a little bit more inventory to choose from usually. Now, for sellers, the days on market prior to contract have been holding steady in the past 2 months at around 21 days. Also holding steady, we see about 40% of all closings involving seller-assisted closing costs, and the median cost for that seller assistance is around $8,000. Now, when we look at a normal market, we see about 18% of the homes selling above asking price. But right now, we're seeing 23% of the homes going over asking price, and most of this is happening at homes under $600,000. Now, flipping and looking at some other economic data, we see that the unemployment report for Arizona shows our labor force continues to grow faster than the U.S. Rate of growth for the employment rate. The unemployment rate is at its lowest that it's been in Arizona since 2007. Our diverse employment base and positive economic indicators in the valley continue to support price stability for housing and appreciation of home values, even though the number of transactions is down. Now, the Federal Reserve meets again at the end of September, and we're all hoping in the real estate industry that they have some decisions that start a downturn in interest rates to shake the market out of its current doldrums. Now, despite the doldrums, there are plenty of opportunities for both buyers and sellers. If you want more information on these opportunities and how they affect you, please call me, Bill Fleck, at Home Realty at area code 412-215-1348, and I'd be happy to discuss those with you. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.